You're in the middle of a print. Everything seems normal. Then suddenly your printer stops and displays thermal runaway error. The print is ruined. The printer shuts down, and many beginners immediately think something is broken. But here's the truth. A thermal runaway error is actually your printer protecting itself from a potentially dangerous situation. In this video, I'll explain exactly what thermal runaway is, why it happens, and how to fix it safely. Welcome to our channel, Clone Print Lab, where we explain everything about 3D printing. Now, let's start. What is thermal runaway? Thermal runaway occurs when the printer loses control of temperature. The printer expects the hot end or heated bed to reach a certain temperature. If the heater is on, but the temperature sensor doesn't show the expected increase, the firmware assumes something is wrong. To prevent overheating or fire risks, the printer immediately shuts down. This protection is called thermal runaway protection, and it's one of the most important safety systems in modern 3D printers. Why is it dangerous? Imagine this scenario. The heater cartridge continues heating, but the temperature sensor becomes disconnected. The printer thinks the hot end is cold, so it keeps adding more power. Without protection, temperatures could rise uncontrollably. This is exactly the situation thermal runaway protection is designed to prevent. Common causes of thermal runaway. Cause number 1, loose thermistor. The most common reason. If the thermistor is loose, temperature readings become inaccurate. Temperature fluctuates. Firmware detects abnormal behavior. Result? Thermal runaway error. Cause number 2, damaged thermistor wires. Repeated movement can break wires internally. Symptoms include random temperature jumps, sudden drops, intermittent errors. Cause number 3, failing heater cartridge. A failing heater cartridge may not generate enough heat. The printer keeps trying to reach target temperature, but never gets there. Eventually, protection triggers. Cause number 4, cooling system problems. If the hot end cooling system changes unexpectedly, excessive cooling, failed fan, incorrect airflow, temperature stability can suffer. How thermal runaway protection works. Modern firmware constantly monitors current temperature, target temperature, heating rate, temperature stability. If the temperature behaves unexpectedly for a specific period of time, the firmware shuts everything down. Popular firmware with protection includes Marlin, Klipper, and RepRap firmware. This feature has become standard for good reason. How to diagnose the problem? Step 1. Check temperature graphs. Preheat your hot end and watch. Stable temperature is good. Sudden spikes or drops is a problem. Step 2. Inspect the thermistor. Check mounting screw, glass bead position, wire damage. Step 3. Check heater cartridge. Look for loose connections, burned wires, damaged insulation. Step 4. Wiggle test. Carefully move wiring harnesses while monitoring temperature. If readings jump suddenly, you've likely found the fault. PID tuning explained. Sometimes the hardware is fine. The problem is poor temperature control. This is where PID tuning helps. PID tuning teaches your firmware how your hot end behaves. Benefits: more stable temperatures, faster heating, fewer false thermal runaway warnings. After replacing a hot end, heater, or thermistor, always perform a new PID tune. What not to do. One of the worst mistakes beginners make is disabling thermal runaway protection. Never do this. The error is not the problem. The error is warning you about the problem. Disabling protection removes a critical safety system. Always find and fix the root cause instead. If your printer is more than a year old, inspect all hot end wiring during routine maintenance. Most thermal runaway errors start as small wiring issues that become worse over time. Catching them early prevents failed prints and unexpected shutdowns. Thermal runaway errors can be frustrating, but they're actually a sign that your printer's safety systems are working correctly. Most cases are caused by thermistor issues, heater cartridge problems, wiring faults, or poor temperature tuning. Fix the root cause, and your printer will be safer, more reliable, and ready for long prints again. If you found this video helpful, please share, like, and subscribe to our channel, Clone Print Lab.